Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up and use Phantom, the best beginner-friendly Solana wallet. Whether you are storing SOL, NFTs, or interacting with dApps, this is the only guide you need. So, what exactly is Phantom? Phantom is a non-custodial Solana wallet, which means you control your keys and your crypto. It's a browser extension and mobile app that lets you send or receive SOL and SPL tokens, store NFTs, interact with Solana D apps, stack SOL, and more. It's fast, user friendly, and secure, perfect for beginners. To get started, go to Phantom. Always check spelling mistake. .app, then click enter and click the download button in the upper right corner and choose your browser like Chrome, Brave, or Firefox. So click download for Firefox or add the extension like that. Click the Phantom icon in your browser bar from the extension bar. Click on it and expand it like that. Now let's create your wallet. Click Create New Wallet. Phantom will now give you a secret recovery phrase. This is the only way to restore your wallet. Write it down, store it offline, never share it with anywhere. It's look like that. Phantom, create account, new wallet. It's look like that. Just click create a new wallet and follow the process. So now set a password for quick access and you are in. Here's a quick tour of the Phantom interface, like Home tab. Wait a minute. Home tab, View Sol and Token Balances. NFTs tab, See your collectibles. Then globe icon, Access Solana the apps. Gear icon, Adjust settings and security options. Phantom also shows recent transactions and lets you copy your wallet address with one click. To receive SOL, click your wallet address at the top and it will copy to your clipboard. Then just send SOL from an exchange like Coinbase or Binance. Go to Binance and log into your Binance account. Then click on your account icon. Then click deposit. Click deposit crypto. Then select your SOL. Select network like SOL and copy the address and paste it in your Phantom wallet. Or click withdraw crypto. Then select your coin like SOL. SOL. Then enter your Sol address in from your Phantom wallet. Then enter amount and follow the process. Now, only send Sol or SPL tokens, never Ethereum or Bitcoin. To send tokens, hit the send button from your Phantom dashboard. Paste the recipient's wallet address and enter the amount. Choose a coin like Ethereum and go back to like Binance, then deposit crypto and choose Ethereum. Then select network ERC20 and click the copy icon and paste it here. Enter your amount and click next and follow the process. Super fast, low fees, thanks to Solana. Want to buy NFTs or swap tokens? Just visit a D app like Magic Eden or Jupiter Exchange. Just go to Jupiter Exchange and click connect and Phantom will pop up. From here, click choose Phantom and you are ready to trade, swap or mint NFTs instantly. You can also stake Sol in app. Just go to Sol, click start earning PK validator and stake. It's a great way to earn passive income directly from your wallet. So now open your Phantom wallet. You can swap your coin from here. Click swap, enter amount from section and choose Sol, then USDC and click swap. And that's it. You now know how to install, use, and master Phantom wallet to wallet the best Solana wallet for beginners. Like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.